What's going on, guys? This is Brock here today with another Zapier automation. I'm going to show you how to make your life so much easier when you post a new video on your social media. For this use case, YouTube, we are going to be able to then send an automatic Slack notification to all of our team members and colleagues in order for them to go and engage on our posts and boost engagement really early on, which is very, very important when it comes to social media. Now we don't need to bug our colleagues and our friends to actually go ahead and comment and like on our videos. So what we're going to do is, first of all, we're going to come over to this trigger here. We need to change this. So this trigger is going to be YouTube. What we want to do is we want the trigger event to be new video. So click new video. Or what we're going to do is we're actually going to do new video in channel. So a specific YouTube channel, once a video is posted there, then it will send a notification. So go ahead. I already linked my YouTube account here, but you're going to need to give access to your YouTube account. Channel, what we want to do is we want to then come over to our YouTube studio or just grab our basic channel ID, which we can find inside of YouTube Studio. If you want to come down to customize, go to basic information, channel URL. This little information here after this slash is what we would then want to put in for our channel. So go ahead, add that there, continue, and let's go ahead and test this to then pull these fields in order for us to map. So here you go. You can see the last video that I posted on my YouTube channel. Here's the channel ID, the title, the description, all the different stuff. So let's go ahead and continue with that record. And what we're going to do is we're going to want to go to Slack. We want to connect our account. What we want to do is we want to then add send channel message, add our account, which I just went ahead and add here. Go ahead, pick the channel that you want this sent to. You could either have this sent directly to your users inside of your Slack via direct message, or for this use case, I just set up a basic automation here in order for them to be able to see. So new post is going to be the channel that we're going to post inside of. For the message text, let's just say, hey guys. All right, so hey guys, Brock just posted a new YouTube video. If you could leave a like and a comment, that would be great. And then let's go ahead and use this, add the mapping fields here. We're going to go ahead and just click the YouTube URL. So that way they could just click on it and then go ahead and test that out. Let's go ahead and test this, and we now should be getting a notification from. So if you check now, this was actually sent. There was a notification within inside of the Slack channel. And now we could just come directly to our YouTube video. And our colleagues can then make sure to engage with this post that we make. So there you guys have it. That's how we actually automate the process of notifying our colleagues inside of Slack whenever a new YouTube video is posted. We can do this for Instagram, LinkedIn, all these different platforms that integrate directly with Zapier. If you guys want to follow Zapier for more automations like this to make your life easier and simpler, subscribe to the YouTube channel. See you guys.